Keep going, girl.
No, I want this one. Let me do it outside!
Ridiculous. Get on it, Railyn.
Let's have fun all day long. Sing a song, dance along, clap your hands, move your feet, feel the music, feel the beat. Let's have
Yeah, ow.
What
What is it? What swing? What? Don't worry, we'll be here for a while when she gets off. Push. You two. Let me push the both of you. Sit there. I'm not that strong, but I'll try. Go. Go on. No, go on so I can do it. Railyn, I'm gonna do it. Get on, Railyn.
Really, get on!
No. Ready? Hold on.
Stop.
run around.
Stop!
Hold on.
Happy face.
No, stop.
Your hands.
Woo, that's it. Go on this one. Oh.
Enjoy the
I want to go with you.
On this one, if you guys cut it, you might be too short.
let's have fun.
You and then Railyn go on the opposite. Yeah, that's fine. Try. You gotta use your feet though. Push down on the ground. On the ground. Put your feet on the ground. Push up. You can't. Try to push up, Railyn, and then she'll be able to go down. No? Push up. You can't. Come on. If I go on, it's gonna go all the way down.
No.
But I can make you go high.
Oh, yeah. Let me see.
Ready? But you gotta go on that side. Oh, the wind blew my chair down. Ready?
Go.
Happiness will stay.
You see how I'm using my feet and I push up?
Let me get on.
Oh wait, you guys together make a lot of weight. I didn't expect that. Look at that. Dang, we chilling here. Wait, don't even. Hey. Ah! If you get off here, I weigh more than Railyn, so I'm gonna push it down. Right now, you both are 120 pounds together on that side. Cause you're like 60 and he's 60, so yeah, 120 something.
No, I'm 63.
And he's. How are you more than him?
I'm more than her.
So you guys right now on that side is
The doctor's
100.
that was 63.
And 130, I would say. So yeah, that's why. But if you get off it, I'm going down because I weigh more than him. Ready? Ah, you guys need to help me here too. Wait. Ready? Oh, when I push him up in there. Ready? Ah, that's it. Take a little. Oh, whoa! Wow, Railyn, you're pretty heavy. If it went up a little bit. Ready? You two together. Oh wait, Nova goes first. Ready? Go sit with me. Let's put.
Scared.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! Is it fun?
You know, get off. And then I can get off. Now you two together. I'm gonna go. Go.
Oh, I'm scared.
Ready? Ooh. Ah! Oh wow, you see it balances out perfect.
That's it?
It's because you guys are both 130. Woo!
Railyn!
Railyn! Oh! No, but you made me go all the way down.
No, Gina!
Yeah, climb that. Climb your rope.
How'd you do this? Ah, this doesn't work. This actually doesn't work.
I thought you gotta know how to do it.
Oh, because I forgot how to do this. I do this? Yep. No, let me do it. I don't know how to do it. Come on. Get on from that side. Get on from there. I'm gonna see what's faster.
That's to balance. You guys could do the balancing?
I got it faster. That's because that's more easier. You're scared. You're scared of this place. I don't want it like this.
I want you guys to try to balance over here.
Go.
Go.
What? Wait.
That was so fast, boy.
I just go, we go.
Yes, you gotta keep going. No, go straight. Yeah, go.
You made it wiggly for me. That's not fair.
It is wiggly.
No, he made it for me.
Go.
It doesn't matter. I made it wiggly.
Just try
He
it.
made it wiggly for me to go back on it.
That's how it goes.
He made it more wiggly for me. That's
No, keep going, Nova.
No, I don't want to do this.
Ay, Dios. She got her. That's why she's grumpy now. He's not gonna bump into you. No worries. Keep going. Keep going. Go. No, Raylene, get out. Let me get her. Raylene. Raylene. So slow. I need water so I can go faster. I am. I'm going to sit on the swing right now.
Go.
My
I'm gonna record my own self. I'm gonna be like the scary one. I don't like it. You stop, please. You please stop.
Okay, let's not do that because she's not. All right. All right. One. Oh, relaxing. Use your feet.
Railyn, come on.
Go down. Go down. Could you reach? Or are you too short? I don't know why they make it so tall. Oh. It's over here real fast. I want to see you guys run. That's it? Come on, Nova.
Come with me.
All right. Focus. What? She didn't fall off. She's still standing. That's because you're scaring her, so try to stay away from her. Oh, look at. Go around. Go again. Oh, the trees. Aw. They should. If they made this swimmable, this would be crowded of people every summer. Move, Nova. Move, Nova. Oh my God! It's getting so windy. Too short. You need upper arm strength.
No, that's too funny. It's up there.
Oh. Wait. You good, Railyn?
Yeah.
You sure?
We got the best. Yeah, this is the best ice cream ever.
Let me see, Railyn.
Look, it's so big.
This was my ice cream truck. Ah!
It's freezing.
It's cold. It was warm earlier, yeah, but it's getting later, so it's starting to get more chilly. Oh, snap! Be careful, yeah. Be careful going down. Oh, the fan hit me in the face. I want to record the little picture. Aww. Of what?
I'm going to water.
Yeah, right. You want to get sick?
I you really want the water?
No, it's not clean. It's not sanitized. They don't clean it.
This is the water. Touching the water.
What is that?
It's up somewhere in the
Do me a favor.
He's gonna be like,
The duck is cold. Get him out.
We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves.